today's fast-paced world, it can be easy to lose sight of ourselves amidst the chaos and demands of everyday life. We often prioritize taking care of others or meeting societal expectations before tending to our own needs. But what if there were a space where women could come together, support one another, and focus on their personal growth? Enter the Seeker's Circle, a safe haven for like-minded women who are dedicated to their own personal development. The Seeker's Circle is more than just an online platform. It's a vibrant community that empowers women from all walks of life. It brings together individuals who share the common goal of becoming their best self. Whether you're seeking guidance in your career, relationships, spirituality, or simply need inspiration to push you out of your comfort zone, the Seeker's Circle is your space.